This is a forum with key judicial stakeholders like retired and serving justices and senior lawyers among the participants. This is a platform for rich intellectual discourse on the judiciary. Part of the issues that dominated discussions centered on the need for laws to be clear and applied evenly, enabling individuals to understand the legal consequences of their actions. For retired Supreme Court Justice HMB Echo, the sanction of a judge on account of judicial misconduct may impact the perception of the said judicial officer in the long run.
The judge, after suspension, is he going to be a new reformed, rebranded judge? If his conduct is so egregious that you can suspend him, and he comes back, so I announced my name, Agent Biako, appearing for the defender. Then I whispered to my colleague, is that not the one who was suspended? And the whole thing, adjudication is rooted in the confidence of we repose in the judex.
On his part, the president of the National Industrial Code of Nigeria says an appellate process may not always produce just outcomes.
The case involving Lawal, for instance, was decided by the High Court, and the High Court decided against Lawal. Court of Appeal, 3 of them sided with the High Court. So how many judges? 3 plus 1. When it got to the Supreme Court, it was a decision of 3-2, a split decision, which means 2 of the Supreme Court justices sided with the Court of Appeal and the High Court. So how many do we have? 6. The decision of the 3 in the Supreme Court by our Constitution is the decision that is binding. So we have a situation where 6 justices decided on one side, but are overruled by the decision of 3 people because the Constitution says that is the law. Is that just?
We have so many governors, senators, rep members that are in Senate and House of Rep and even the seat of governor, not on account of the votes they receive from the people, but just pronouncement of you people. And Nigerians are wondering. And that is why it's easy to say, if you're not okay with the outcome of the election, go to court.
The theme of the public dialogue on judicial reforms is one judgment, many meanings, navigating the divergent interpretation of court decisions in Nigeria. Godfrey Eshamoge, Arise News.